Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Zong app account. So we're going to create a new account. So first we're going to go to the My Zong app. You guys can download it from the App Store. Then we're going to select our language, then click on continue. So if you guys already have the Zong SIM, you guys can enter it and click on next. If not, you can click on not a Zong user on the bottom. So once you click on it, this is what it presents. You guys could get all these services, as you can see, or you guys could contact them directly for your account activation, as well as if you want to get any SIMs, any services they'll provide you. So this is how you do it. So once they provide you with the SIM, you guys could enter the number, then click on next. So this is how you create your Zong account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.